In this video, I'm going to talk about Fiverr Zoom video call eligibility. On this Fiverr marketplace, they are recently make an update for video call for Zoom eligibility. So it's make user based. They're making some marketplace safety purpose for outside communication, inside communication. But for the Zoom call eligibility, always available on order page, but not for all inbox pages. So if you see one here, so video call for Zoom, this is Fiverr video call help on Fiverr coming from. This is the order page. This is all seller can initiate a Zoom call, and order page always we can make like a Zoom video call. But on the inbox, this is level seller for average selling price minimum $50 plus. Then they will enable this Zoom call eligibility on inbox for this seller. And the second one is for the all seller initiated can Fiverr Pro and Fiverr selected buyers. So they can make without order, they can make video call with Fiverr Pro and Fiverr selected buyer. But if they need video calls functionality for this inbox, but they should, then they can make like a on order page, they can make like Zoom video call, they can start up on here from. So if you go on these messages, then you can see very easily on this recorded Zoom, and this Zoom recorded will save only 30 days. So this is actually the video icon camera on Zoom on your order pages. You will see there, just click on here, then they will make this type of image section for this messages type. Just you can click the join icon, and you can also client can join. Also you can share this link via the join Zoom first, then share this link and send the inbox. So this is the another way for directly you can send Fiverr Zoom link on your buyer messages. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you, you will never be disappointed. Thank you so much.